Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can personalize your Pinterest profile in mobile app. First of all, let's go to the bottom right corner where the saved is. We press on the top right corner the hexagon, and as you can see there's edit profile. It's the first option in this pop-up window. There's about and we can add a short bio here. That's what we want to do. We'll just press Hello YouTube. You can add hashtags and basically anything you want, like MS like Marcus Stone. And if you're perfectly fine with what you just wrote, we just press done. And as you can see on the on the top corner of your screen, there's a profile was actually updated. It's very easy. It will sometimes when you take a picture or change the picture, it will take a while for the picture to actually upload. And that's about it. It's a very easy way how to tweak your account and make it more personal for you. So